hold on, let's let her try. We gotta wipe all the UV grabbers off, and we gotta blow the spit out too, because it had some in there from before. Okay, you gotta practice with that first.
Here.
Hold on, let me blow slobber. You're supposed to be right here too. Okay, ready?
It's somewhere else. Here.
I already did that one. Okay, let's try.
In here.
Okay, here we go. Ready? No, like I showed you. Look. You got to do that inside of that little hole right there. You got to try. Go ahead, try. Yeah,
Baby.
just like that. Yeah.
Baby.
The baby might be able to do it. Okay, come on, try. You can do it. Okay, try. Ready? Want me to hold it? Watch, I'll show you. Now that you slobbered on it. Watch. All I'm doing is going like this. And then you put that in there like this, and watch.